Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Discord and signing in so settings changes apply to your profile. Once open, check the system tray and close any background instances. Right-click the icon and choose Quit. Make sure you're using an administrator account if Windows prompts appear, because some startup settings need elevated permissions. While you're here, open User Settings, gear icon, to prepare for the next step. This ensures you can toggle options that control startup behavior without interruptions. Now go into the app settings and find the Windows or Mac section where startup behavior lives. Disable Open Discord or Start Discord when I log in so it won't launch automatically. If you see a Minimize to Tray option, turn it off because that can make Discord appear to start even when minimized. Next, open Task Manager, Windows, or System Preferences, Mac, and confirm Discord is removed from startup programs. This double check prevents OS-level auto-launch from overriding app settings. Finish by restarting your computer to verify Discord no longer launches on login. This confirms both app and OS settings took effect. If Discord still opens, make sure no third-party utility or installer re-enabled it, and check for multiple user profiles that may have separate startup settings. As a troubleshooting step, clear Discord's cache or reinstall the app. That resolves corrupted preferences. If problems persist, temporarily create a new user account to isolate system-level issues, and then...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.